When we moved from the Pacific Northwest to North Carolina, we didn't realize that we would actually still be encountering winter storms. We did expect, the hurricanes and the potential tornadoes, but winter storms was definitely something not on our radar. So we had to quickly get some insulation for our pipes so that we wouldn't have any pipe bursts. We got these little hose bib covers. They're the bagged style instead of the foam style. So these ones are reusable. They're insulated with cotton, and then they have like a waterproof lining, and then obviously this Velcro strap. The Velcro strap has that reflective part too, and I'm not sure what you're going to be doing with your hose bibs in the middle of the night, but there it is. If you want to know where your hose bib is in the middle of the night, you've got a reflective strap. Instructions come with your hose bibs in case it's not pretty obvious, but first, remove your hose. Duh. Hopefully your water is off as well, but yes, remove your hose, put the bib cover on it, and strap the Velcro strap. You can't really mess this up. I mean, obviously you can, but let's be real. This is pretty simple. A little hand dexterity is needed. I try to go as tight as possible. Here it is. There's your reflective strap in case you're night looking for your hose. And just in case you need to see this again, here's a second hose bib. You take your hose off. You put the cover on it. And then with your excellent human hand dexterity, you strap the straps. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Nice and tight.